What? Ah, the world, it's not a plan. You just watch what I'm going, you know. Carefully. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know what's going on. When I come for represent. Full effecting, man. You don't know what go. When me load up. Aim up. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me no man. Are the people's champion. Oh you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. I don't believe for a minute said can get more electrified than that. You see what I deal with? Hear me now. You don't know me a concrete step on nation people. Make me step no man. Watch ya. Right now, you know, I strongly believe, say, right now, we not really see how them can have no retrial. Because it look like somebody alive, full time, big time, and all the while. Because guess what going on nation people? Tell me that's why for hide it. Say how much money the world boss supposed to get back from the system from going to the Privy Council. Right now, everything dash out there, you know. Everything dash out the road and I run like water, you know. Everybody I see it, you know. Right now, you know. I think it starts stink up the universe and everybody has smell it. Just like how me I smell freedom. No gimmicks thing not in it. No lollipop thing not in it. No game strict dead about it, nation people. Because watch out. If the system of a pay back vybz kartel $150 blood clot million. Then, yo, me I say, do you think it's fair for taxpayer in the country go through back no more like that shit again? Eh? No games thing that there. After taxpayer money, you know, send them, you know, the DPP, you know, a taxpayer money. Send a the whole team go to the Privy Council. Then, yeah, and them lose because the Privy Council squash it. I said, bring it back to the appeal court and make the appeal court make a decision. If you don't want to go a retrial or you don't want to free up the G them. Zip. No lollipop thing not in my game now, no gimmicks thing not in it. So make my ask you know. So taxpayer must respond for all of those rascal millions after poor people are blood clot suffer like that, my brother. Not saying, you know, don't get me wrong, you know, people. I ain't say the country not for have justice, you know, my brother. I ain't say rules and regulation not for setting up, my brother. I ain't saying crime, you know, supposed to do and get away, you know. Now that me I make you know, you know. Me I say right now, them two bumper rascal lie. Is where me I deal with. I can't put the people them through that again. When the government or the system don't have nothing in place consecutively for poor people to make money like that, or even taxpayers should said. No game shit no there in it, no lollipop thing no in it. So me don't see it, and all my gun see it. So well then, yo, their thing is to lie them way out of shit all the while. You see what I say? No joke shit no there about it. You know what I mean? And a gimmicks thing no in my game. Right now, it costs too fucking much. You see what I say? And they don't have no guarantee that they're winning shit. Because guess what? The case done fumble with from in at the beginning. You see what I say? And now it a go to even the end. It even worse than how we even think. Because if they could lie about the money for pay back vybz kartel, then if they could lie about that and keep that from the public because they want that to in, then how many stuff do they lie about? These people are crafties. No wonder why you hear the youth them in the blood clot country I say them a chopper. Because if the system a chop and the youth them see that, say a chop the system them a chop and a get through, well then, why you think them not go follow? Remember say children learn what you tell them alone, you know, my brother. They learn what them see, you know. So no gimmicks thing not in my game, no lollipop thing not in it, you know. And the youth them see say una top class chopper where you feel like them now go and learn the game. And them see say a chop on way through. Let me tell you something. Free up the world boss and Sean Storm, Kyra Jones and Matsus. It can't only better for the country. It can't get no worse than how it is right now. Because here we go on. Only did paint a picture from vybz kartel and act like him are the baddest man in a Jamaica, or him a run a gang or some mob organization in a Jamaica where you no can't control. And time, God and time, prove it to it. Because guess what? You can't beat the father, nor you can't beat the time. And it's true we say it was all hypocrisy on a chatting. Because vybz kartel lock up for 13 years now, nation people. And the crime rate is off the chart since then until now. So no gimmicks thing not in a me game, no lollipop thing not in a it. So when you need a pipe finger on vybz kartel, I wanna lock him down for 13 years now. Tell me who are going with all those crimes from the 13 year on a lock down the man until now. First crime has been turned up more than it ever been. When me a youth I grew up, I go school, or even big youth in a Jamaica, me never hear yet no man a challenge Brinks. Right now, today, Brinks man them have to run and fling with them gun. When them youth turn on them rascal submachine, AK rascal rifle, where fire 7.62 and them 6 and them M16 where clap 5.56. A lie we a tell? No gimmicks thing that in our game, no lollipop thing that in it. So here we go on. On a lie on the G about the crime shit. You see what I say? On a lie on the G about whole heap of shit. Right now, on a free up the G. It's good for the tourist board, better for the dancehall, and better for even some ghetto youth. You see what I say? Because the G them are breadwinner and the G them are bread broker. The G them not play for broke bread. So no gimmicks thing not dead about it. You see what I deal with and no lollipop thing not dead about it. I'ma guess at that you not like. I'ma feel like well then the popularity of the G, the popular of the G and the rascal magnitude, rascal people where respect the G for musical ability plus the respect we him have by always making bread and breaking it to poor people. That's why you see the G impact turn up like that and the influence turn up like that. So no gimmicks thing not there in my game now, no lollipop thing not in it. So right now people, Gaza Nation should say, may I look for some time this week, them tell the world boss, pack up your things and go home like Jerome. No lollipop thing not in it, you know. No gimmicks thing not in it, you know. You know what the general, the 10-star one, I represent. You know what I represent Gaza way. There ain't no other way. Big up FME, Federal Music Entertainment. Big up Rosetown, Trenchtown, Jonestown, Arne Garden, the whole of jungle, Waterford. You don't know the badness go. The G so forward home with the clip them load. What? 150 million. Cha. Oh fuck man. Oh.